How to fix add post to your story on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix add post to your story on Instagram. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If the add post to your story button is not showing on Instagram, maybe you want people to add your post to their story, but it is not showing up. So why could this be the case? Now, if this is happening, the number one reason is a private account. So tap on the three lines icon from the top right and go to account privacy and make sure to switch to public account. After you do that, scroll down and go to this option called sharing and reuse and tap on it. Here, you'll find the option called posts and reels to stories. So make sure to turn this on. So when you don't allow posts and reels to stories, people won't be able to share your content to their stories. So that way you should be able to go ahead and then basically add posts and reels to your stories and fix it. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.